Well, it's now time to review trading activities at the Nigerian Exchange Limited. And with me in the studio is Markets Editor of TVC News, Effiong Ekop. Thank you so much for coming.
It's nice being with you.
All right, so today, how did the markets close? We've seen the gainers, we've seen the losers. How did they close?
We ended business in red. And it's just that there is a price correction in the markets. For more than 2 weeks, we've been trading in the hot territory, and the markets, the prices have been going towards the rooftop. And that has created the opportunity for those who want to profit out of their investments, to take profit. Like yesterday, the market went above 4%, which was very, very high. And we've seen that, in the last 2 weeks. So the gaps, bring the opportunity, for you to maybe sell, upload, and then replan again. And so we are just adjusting the market prices because the nature of the market is not to look in one direction. So as it's going up, it's steadied, and then it will look down. And so there is market correction, so that it will also encourage those who are outside, to come in and then buy at a cheaper and lower rates. So
what do you think this signals to investors?
You mean the correction?
Yes.
Basically, it's if you've been waiting to enter the market and then you found the prices were very high, once it's been tempered down, you move in because you would have been able to enter the market, and buy at a lower.
Well, that's for those that are outside.
Yes.
What about those that are inside?
Those who are inside, they have to hold on. If the prices are down and you are, caught without being prepared, you hold. Yes. So, because if you rush to sell when the prices are down, tendency is you may lose money. Except you had planned that by such time and at such a rate, you will exit or, sell some. Then you do it. But as it is, this one, it doesn't surprise those who play the market very well, because you've seen the trend. Over a long period of time, the prices have gone up. So many of the stocks have been, in a very high level. And so you would naturally know that prices, for some time will come down. So you prepare. It is individual decision. Do you want to sell, or do you want to still stay in the market to go? If you don't have any need for money, then you allow your stocks to remain. After all, after that cycle, another one will come again. So that's how the market plays.
All right.
Yeah.
So let's talk about the CBN's bank recapitalization. It's closing in March.
Really, that's the big thing in the market. Just next month, we expect that certification will be issued to the banks. From what we have heard, many of the banks have been able to show themselves, creditably. Those who want to play internationally, they were asked to bring in 500 billion, and we hear that many of them, I don't want to begin to list their names, they have been able to get that. Those who will play nationally within Nigeria, they have also done that. Then the regional banks. One thing is, many of the bankers, they do not tell us, we want to be regional players. Everybody wants to be national or international. But we will wait to see at the end of March. Generally, there is expectation that many of them will cross the Rubicon. And we don't seem to see, mergers and acquisition issues as what we had the last time. So it's like many individual banks, they want to stay on their own or be able to meet up with what the central bank has actually urged them to do, which is good. A sign that they will have huge funds in their vaults to do businesses and then satisfy their shareholders.
All right. Thank you very much, Market Editor, Effiong, for talking to us, of course.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
Thank you.